The doctors are amazed. This recipe strengthens and restores bones, knees and joints. According to many health experts, poor posture is one of the main factors responsible for lower back, joint and leg pain. Therefore, it is important to correct it to avoid further complications. In addition, we recommend you use the following natural recipe to strengthen and restore your bones and joints and relieve your pain. Instructions to make it. Components: 1 kilogram of flower honey, 10 tablespoons of flaxseed, 50 grams pumpkin seeds, 5 tablespoons of tahini, 3 tablespoons of raisins, 50 grams sunflower seeds, 50 grams wheat seeds. Method of preparation. Mix all the ingredients in a large bowl, mix well and store the mixture in a glass jar. Use. You should eat 1 tablespoon of this mixture before breakfast and lunch. This powerful natural remedy will strengthen your metabolism, joints, heart, and muscles and restore and strengthen the elasticity of ligaments and tendons.